Oi! What is that? Oh my god! I hear it running away! Let's go get it! There it is! I have found it! Let me get this right quick. I've captured it! The grizzly bear! Y'all might be wondering, 2 videos, 1 day, kinda. Anyway, thing is, I know I've been off for a while, so I'm gonna have to get caught back up with y'all. So I'm gonna start catching up right now, and the new schedule starts tomorrow. I'll post a video tomorrow too, and then from then on out, I'll do them how I said I was gonna do them Tuesdays and Thursdays. Let's get started. First off, you got this old grizzly here. Yeah, I just caught this. It's pretty straightforward. Ha, you get it. Yeah, it's that intense. You got a grizzly in your hand? Yeah. Anyway, got us a nice little pinch. Just kidding. Mud jug of the day, only one I have now. Traded my other one for it. Was black, now it's green, thanks to the help of some spray paint and elbow grease. Not really. Whatever. Okay, so today, one of the other YouTubers on this channel, Dale Smith, done a video on how to dip in class and not get caught. Wait, what am I doing? Get some music going. Nah. Alright, whatever. Good enough. Okay, so like I said, he done a video on how did that get on my pants? Dip so much I'm peeing dip. Anyway. Don't ask why they're in here. Got them from a buddy. Anyway, I'm going to do my own video of how to dip in class and not get caught. Since I've already got a dip in, I can't really show you much. But one thing, I got a couple of tips you can do. One thing, you can get some, they're kind of Altoids, Grizzly, Wintergreen, close enough. Anyway, pouches. Now, I don't dip pouches. I got these for when I need them, when I have to hide them. Anyway, you take one of these, and if you have chubbier cheeks than I do, I got like a banana face going. Anyway, no, that's not. God! Anyway, got these right here. You can take them, and you can upper deck them in the back. Let me just show y'all what I mean. I'm taking it out. I hate pouches, but you can put it up there in the top, and you can't tell there's nothing there. Like at all. It don't affect the way you're talking. Of course, dipping, it affects the way you're talking, but up here, it don't affect the way that you're talking. That's the way you can do that. Hate pouches. Feels like I'm sucking on a cotton ball or... Alright, another thing you can do. I found this easy. Last year, I don't dip in class anymore. I got into some trouble last year. I'm not going to get into what happened. It wasn't about dip. Kind of is, but that's not what got me in trouble. Anyway, I don't dip in class anymore because if I get caught, I get in a lot of trouble. Like more than y'all would. So I don't want to get in trouble. I don't feel like getting caught. So I don't dip in class. I don't dip at school or anything. Say what you want to, but if you knew what happened, you wouldn't either. I feel like graduating at least. Anyway, what you can do is I found this easy, is chew. Put a chew bag in your pocket. You can't really tell it's anything other than something in your pocket. Like it don't like dip, it don't like anything. So, or you can take it and put it in beef jerky. You can take beef jerky and put it in, or you can take the chew out of the bag and put it in beef jerky and put it in a beef jerky bag and chew on it. Which I don't advise that, but it worked. It worked for me. I never got caught. But also, if you have a really cool teacher, ask your teacher. You know, just straight up forward, ask your teacher, like, can I dip in your class? If it's a cool teacher, like, if you got one of them teachers that's like,
oh, well, you better be on point every day. You better be dressed nice to come to school, and you better have good grades in my class, because if you don't, you're getting ISD or something. I don't know.
Don't ask the teacher like that. Ask the teacher that's chill, sits in his desk with his legs crossed, and gives you something to do, and minds his own business. His or her. Don't take it lightly. Just ask him, you know, hey, can I please dip in your class? Maybe once or twice, you know? Just, like I said, don't be stupid about it. I had one teacher one time, I actually just pulled out my can while he was teaching, and I threw in a big fat dip like this one. And he looked at me and just shook his head and went back to his work so I could dip in his class. I'm not saying names because I'm not getting anybody in trouble. Anyway, no, but I don't know. I mean, it's depends on who your teacher is. You can also get a, oh my god, that's too loud for this video. You can also get a Coke bottle when you're dipping. Like Dalton said in one of his videos, get a Coke bottle, drink it down, you know there's like that much left in the bottom. Take a drink, and as soon as it touches your lips, spit quietly, pull it back down, put the lid back on. Now, I made the mistake one time, taking my dip out and putting it in that bottle. Then she walked over there and saw the bottle, and it had a bunch of dip grains floating around in it. But I had some cool teachers, so I didn't get in no trouble. Anyway, no, just be lightly about it. Don't put in fat ones if you're going to put in grain. Do not. Put it way back here in the back. Make sure it's small. Can't see it. Like you can also take it and land up on your desk with it in. Something else you can do is have your drink. Coke, tea, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, Pepsi, it don't matter. And if you got a small dip, it don't make that much spit. So you can, whenever you got a spit, just take a drink of it and swallow it. After a while, yeah, it'll mess with you, but just be careful. Don't get caught. We don't want nobody getting in trouble. If you do get caught doing one of my tips, you didn't hear it from me. You didn't. Yeah. So, something else you can do is up here. Not a lot of not a lot of people know it. But you have a big pocket right here. You put a dip right there, and you can't see it. Just be careful with it, and don't get caught, and don't be stupid. Say something. Not gonna use this today, but just gonna lay this back down. You gotta be real quiet. There's something over there here. I smell it. I got him. Look at him. Look at him. Sorry about that. There was a bear in my room, so I had to call the exterminator. Yeah. Just I'm getting off of here now. Yeah. Don't spit in the drinker. Or don't drink the spitter.